So customer states he put new brakes in, and you can see the rotor on this side looks normal and fine. However, on this side, you can't figure out why the rotor looks this way and the caliper looks like it's bent. So we're going to take the wheels off and see what he did wrong here, but there's obviously something going on with the contact of that brake pad to the rotor. Alright, so this is the driver's side of the truck, and this side, the pad looks like it's wearing correctly on the rotor. And as you look in here, you can see the piston, and you can see this brake pad's like straight and smooth. Well, if we run to the other side, this brake pad has this bump that matches the shape of the piston. My guess, before I take this apart, this brake pad out here is going to have this same bump, and this brake pad belongs on the other side of the car. So I'm going to go ahead and get the calipers off, and I'll show you the difference when I get it apart. Alright, show you what happened here. As you can see, these are the driver's side brake pads, and there are a curved surface with no humps. And if we look at the passenger side here, you have both brake pads have the humps for the pistons. So the reason this was put together wrong, you actually see the wear right here. This piece right here was actually rubbing on the inside of the caliper, and the guy thought, you know, you can actually see the piston marks on the backing plate. And so he had actually tried swapping the brake pads around from inside to outside, not realizing that this was both inside pads and the other side has both outside pads. So there is a little bit of odd wear on the brake pad. Hopefully it didn't do any damage to the rotor, and the pad will bed itself in straight once he puts some more miles on it. But this is what's going to be necessary, and why it's extremely important when you take something off the car, before you discard of it or mix it up with the other side, you make sure that the new part matches identically, because the smallest little difference that might not seem like anything you even notice can cause big problems later on. So we'll swap this around and truck should be good as new. So I just thought I'd take another second to show you this. The difference is so small. The part numbers written on the pad are actually the exact same, but this little hump right on the backing plate here makes all the difference when it comes to having it work in the vehicle. Well, success. The brake rotor is now being touched all the way across. The caliper is now sitting in the correct position and not all pushed away from the wheel. Customer will be really happy. He was pretty sure that he had bent the spindle trying to get the rotor off, because these things like to rust on there, and he had a lot of trouble getting the rotor off. So definitely just the pads were in backwards.